the Huda mystery bag. I got the large one. If you want to see what I got, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. So today we are going to look at the Huda mystery bag. Looks exciting, right? So excited to get this. This will cost £78 for the large. Get 7 full-size products. The delivery was free of charge, and I have peeked at it only because I wanted to get the prices for you individually. I'll pop a picture and the price up here for you, and then I'll tally it all up and give you a final value of the whole bag to see whether £78 spending on this was worth it. Okay, so I like the way that it was sent. It was very well packed. So the bag is inside this one. You then receive an outer bag with that Huda Beauty, and the bubbles are heart-shaped, which I think is a beautiful little touch. And then that is actually wrapped in some tissue paper. And then this is wrapped up in more bubble paper. So I think they did an amazing job to make sure that everything would arrive with no damage. I think the bag is absolutely beautiful as well. And very, very pretty little handle there. It's a double zipped. So love this. I will get some use out of that as well. This item is a Huda Beauty. This is the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. I like beauty blenders. I'm a bit of a Real Techniques favourite, but I'm open to trying new things. So this is it here. This has a retail value of £15. Again, I'll leave the picture here and the price of everything for you. This is the flat edge. Good, because you can get right in there under that eye and in the corner. It's quite fun, but yeah, seems all right. Look forward to trying it. Yeah. Right, secondly, we have Huda Beauty. This is a 3D highlighter palette. Again, stunning. She's beautiful. Absolutely stunning woman. And inside, let me just show you. Look at this. I just love the detail and everything. It's just so well done. These are the colours of the highlight. And she gives you steps how to actually get a look. So I'm quite happy with that. This costs £40 for that. Okay, next we have, this is a Huda Beauty Lip Strobe. This has a value of £22. I am not going to keep this, not because I don't like it, because I do like it. But I have something very similar that I use by Jeffree Star. So I think I'd like to give this in a giveaway. Applicator on this, it's really small, so it's quite precise. The colour is like a goldy colour. So it is a lip strobe, like a lip topper. You could probably wear this on its own. I do with my Jeffree Star one. The packaging is very pretty. So that's that. Okay, next we have a Huda Beauty. This is a dual eyeliner pencil and liquid eyeliner. This has a value of £22. This comes similar to the Legit lashes that I've been ranting and raving about. Oh, very good. It's very like soft strokes. No pulling, no dragging. I'll be interested to see whether this makes my eyes water, because I have very sensitive eyes. And then this side is the, oh, you undo that one. This is the liquid eyeliner, very fine brush. Very nice, very black, very dark. Okay, I look forward to giving this a go. Wow, what's that? Next we have a Diamond Balm, Sparkly Lip Balm. This is £22. Packaging's beautiful. The colour is negligee, I think. And the packaging is so beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Oh, wow, nice. Can you see the sparkle? So it is very, very pretty. And it's got the magnetic doings like that. Okay, and then we have Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. Ooh, £34. Wow. This is the jar. It's very nice. Again, the detail on it's amazing. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It smells absolutely beautiful. Look at the colour of that. That looks like iridescent, doesn't it? Shall I bob a bit on? I've cleansed my face. I'm not one that likes a lot of smells in my moisturisers. Out of everything that I've received so far, this is definitely my favourite. And it goes on beautifully and just sinks into the skin. Very pleased I got that. And the final thing is the palette I got is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This has a value of £56. This is stunning as well. Look at that. I think out of the unboxings that I did see, and I'm not just saying this because I got it, I think this is probably the one out of the few that I saw is the one that I would have chosen if I had a choice. I would have been grateful to get any of them, but I like these sort of colours. And look at that. Beautiful. And this is the palette. I really like the fact that you get a black matte as well. You obviously get the mirror. Beautiful. Even like the mattes are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to leave a picture of some swatches up here so you can see it on the skin. But oh my goodness, I'm so happy with this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, I'm so happy with my selection of goodies. So just to recap, was the Rose Gold palette. We've got the lip strobe. We've got the 3D highlighter kit. We've got the eyeliner duo. We've got the beauty blender. The lip balm, jelly moisturizer. So the whole value was £227. The bag cost me £78. So the total value was £149. Now don't forget to check out the giveaway. I'll leave the link down below. Leave me your comments. Do you think this was value for money? And I'll speak to you in the next video. Please take care of yourselves. Till we speak again, bye for now. Take care. Mwah. Bye.